Hey everyone, welcome back to Staro Technology. Today we're talking about something everyone wants, making more money on YouTube in 2025. Now, if you think YouTube is already full or it's too late to start, you're totally wrong. 2025 is one of the best years ever to grow fast and earn big, but only if you understand how YouTube has changed. So stay tuned, because I'm sharing real smart strategies you can start using today. In 2025, YouTube is not just about long videos anymore. We now have shorts, community posts, podcasts, and even AI tools helping creators. That means there are more ways than ever to make money, from ad revenue to brand deals, affiliate links, memberships, and digital products. But here's the catch. You must stop making random content and start building a content system that brings traffic and trust. The biggest mistake most creators make is choosing topics that don't pay well. If you want high CPM, that's the amount advertisers pay per 1,000 views, focus on profitable niches. Finance and crypto tech and AI tools, online business and productivity, education and self-development, design and freelancing. If you talk about these topics and do it consistently, your channel can grow fast and earn much more, even with fewer views. YouTube now rewards creators who keep viewers watching. That means forget about perfection. Focus on storytelling. Tell your journey, your mistakes, your lessons. Even a simple video like how I earned my first $10 from YouTube can blow up if it feels real. The key is consistency. One video per week is better than 5 random ones in a month. Now let's talk money. In 2025, smart creators don't rely only on ads. Here's what they do. Use affiliate marketing, recommend tools or products, and earn a commission. Offer digital downloads, like templates, guides, or ebooks. Enable channel memberships or Patreon for fans who want to support you. Collaborate with brands, small or big ones, that fit your content. Even if your channel is small, you can start building partnerships early. Brands now prefer micro-influencers with loyal audiences. Don't forget to use free tools that save time and grow your channel faster. Here are some 2025 favorites. Canva, for thumbnails and banners. CapCut or DaVinci Resolve, for editing TubeBuddy or vidIQ, to analyze tags and titles. AI voice generators, for those who don't want to talk on camera, like this one. So, if you want to make more money in 2025 with YouTube, stop waiting, start creating. Pick your niche, post consistently, use the right tools, and focus on helping people. The money will follow. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. This is Staro Technology, and we'll keep bringing you the smartest tech and creator tips every week.